So I'm probably not going to get to fix this because I already know someone else is doing it. But I figured I'd spend a couple minutes and do a quick video on it anyways. This is crazy. I've seen videos about stuff like this on YouTube, and I fixed a fifth wheel trailer before, but I never seen anything like this before. And this stuff is made of tin foil. Whoever is designing this stuff seriously needs to just get a life, get some credit, get some accreditation or something, because this is definitely not the material you build a hitch out of. Anyways, without further ado, here we go. It's the front end of a bumper pull holiday trailer. These people are lucky. I seen a picture of it. It was still fastened to the truck, but they had to use a sawzall to get it off of the truck because there was not much holding that on. I watched the loader guy pick that up, in his bare hands and carry it in the shop. He shouldn't be able to do that. The jack and the tongue are the heaviest part of it, as far as I can tell. Anyways, this is only, I'm going to measure it for you guys. It is only made out of, sorry for the bad lighting, that is 14 gauge tin. Look at the crack there. There's a crack there too, eh? Like, that is just absolutely garbage. I can't believe that any company, and I'm not going to out the company name because I think they're all the same way, but that's been cracked there for a while. This is fresh. And I don't know if that one's been cracked for a while. Anyways, the piece of steel that's on the bottom of it, we welded onto it just to move it into the shop. So, yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to make a video on the actual repair of this. We are going to replace the entire piece with new steel. I believe they said they're going to go 1/8 inch, which is actually a bit thicker than what was on there. 1/8 inch works out to, this is an 1/8 inch compared to what's in there, which is quite a bit thicker than the 14 gauge that's on there right now. That's 14 gauge. That's 1/8 inch. And that, I think it should be a little thicker than that, but I figured it should be 10 gauge or 3/16 myself, but 1/8 is probably enough until it starts to get rusty, and then it will be a little bit weak. But yeah, you guys check your hitches, especially if you're pulling a newer holiday trailer, because this is absolutely crazy and someone could have got killed. Like, this is absolutely crazy. I cannot believe it. Those people are so lucky. We're going to try and get this out in the next couple of days for them. They were on their way to the States somewhere on holidays. We're in northwestern Alberta, and yeah, we'd like to get them back on the road so they can continue their holidays and enjoy themselves. We're going to replace that whole piece. We're going to build a completely new hitch for it. And yeah, I almost wish I was doing it, but I'm working on a different job and I just am not available unless they ask me to, and then I will do it. But yeah, that's the video on this. Watch your trailer hitches, check them for cracks. This is an old crack, been there for a while. It's rusty. Not cool. Not cool at all. You guys that are building this junk, dummy up, because this should not be on the customer, and I think it probably is on the customer. This is just pure garbage engineering. Underbuilt. Too light of materials. You guys are trying to save too much money on materials, and you're putting people's lives at risk. So people that are pulling trailers, please check your trailers for cracks, because if it's cracked, there's not a whole lot there. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It'll help me a little bit. Costs you nothing. Appreciate your views.